I have too many book subscriptions. So I canceled the Bookish box recently, and this is one of my last ones from them. It looks like it's a big one, probably like a two-book delivery. So I figured I would open it up with you guys while I still can. Okay. I accidentally summoned a demon boyfriend by Jessica Cage. That's pretty cool. Witch of the Wolves by Kaylee Archer. Hell yeah. Are these not related? I got two. So the Bookish box, I think, is like pretty widely known for having really slow delivery times. Is this just two deliveries that they put in one box? Well, that sucks. But I guess thanks for joining me.